Well, hello. So you looked in your worm bin, and your worms are trying to get out of your worm bin, and you're scrambling to try to problem solve what it is. But it could just be your pH balance. And what that means, when your bin's running great, your worms are going to be happy. And if they're not happy, they're going to tell you. And what you need to do is find out the level of the pH balance. If it's too sour to a worm, it would be like tasting a lemon. If it's too bitter, it would be a taste to worms prefer to unsweetened cocoa. But how you fix that problem is you get yourself some worm castings out of your bins, mix it with some water in a cup, get it to the consistency of some mud, get yourself either a test strip or a digital thermometer. Find out what the number is. If it's the range of 6 and 7, that's perfect. If it's a 7, that means it's too bitter for your worms, so that's not good. And how to fix that problem, you add some more food scraps or some more wet newspaper or cardboard. If it's 5 or less, that means it's too sour for the worms. And how you fix that, add yourself some grounded up eggshells, and that will fix the problem. So once again, always try to test out your pH balance if you're new to worm farming. And if you want to know some common problems about worms, check out this video right here.